don't even tell me that you don't have time to belly dance every single day, because I'm going to tell you right now how to have time to belly dance every single day, even if you're not in the studio. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to belly dance every single day, even if you don't have time to be in the studio, to really bring the soul out of the music and yourself as an improvisational belly dancer, which to me is the heart. I'm sorry. Choreography has its place, but to me, the only way you're really going to show your soul is through improvisational belly dance. You have to practice in improvisational ways and in improvisational spaces while you're driving, singing your rhythms, maybe tapping them out. Be a little bit more careful. Doom doom tek a tek, doom tek a tek, tek a doom doom tek a tek, doom tek a tek, tek a doom doom tek a tek, doom tek a tek, doom doom tek a tek, tek a tek a tek a tek a doom tek, tek doom tek, doom tek, tek doom tek, doom doom tek a tek, doom tek, tek doom tek, doom doom tek a tek, doom tek, tek doom tek, doom tek, tek doom tek, tek doom tek, tek doom doom tek. Doom ka tek a doom tek, doom ka tek a doom tek, doom ka tek a doom tek, doom doom tek a tek, doom tek a tek. Because you're doing it outside the studio, you know, you're not in your regular class or in your regular practice or something, you're outside of that regular thing. It goes into your body, it goes into your mind in a way that it never does when you go into that studio, and that's how you become a really great dancer, because you don't want to be thinking about your choreography. You don't want to only be a dancer when you have those environmental cues. Doom doom tek, doom tek, doom doom tek a tek, doom tek a tek, doom doom tek a tek, doom tek a tek, doom doom tek, doom tek. I'm hitting the steering wheel just on the dooms, but I'm singing the other stuff. You can play some music. This is like an old car. CDs. Phil and Phoenix Roebuck. Okay, let's see if we can find the beat with this one. Tekka tek, tekka tek, tekka tek, tekka tek, tekka tek, tekka tek, tekka. Now I'm practicing zills. Tekka tek, 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 tekka tek. Doom doom tek, doom tek, doom doom tek, doom tek. So if you found value in this, you need to help keep me doing this so I can help giving you the gift of my knowledge. Smash the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, tell other dancers to subscribe, and keep us making videos. All right, rock on. Shukran, teşekkürler, ma salama. See you later, guys.